Good morning, YouTube. Another cloudy, rainy looking day today. Came out here on the porch to check out our strawberries and blueberries and the flowers that Dan has planted in the box here. My friend had to come along. Huh. You always follow Daddy around, don't you? You do. You do. So, pretty much with the way the weather looks today, today's just a good day to, if you're home, do whatever you need to do in the house. And part of my challenges for today is that I gotta clean out my spice cabinet. There's a lot of stuff that I'm just gonna put back in the storeroom because it's not an everyday use, but I have it just in case I need it. But I can't store the spices I do use every day in the cabinet, and instead of having them where they belong, they have to sit on the counter. So that's going to be part of my chores for the day, is getting that spice cabinet cleaned out. And of course, there's always the dishes to do and the stuff that you have to do in the house. But again, like I said, because of the way the weather is looking, and yes, they are calling for thunderstorms again, why not make the most of it and clean out the cabinet? Do whatever chores you can do in the house. Stuff outside will take care of itself. So keep at it, folks. This day can only get better. You are the only one that can change that. You are the only one that can make your day the best day it is. If you're working, today's just probably a good day to just stay inside, not worry about anything. Hope you all had a good weekend, and we're just gonna relax here and leave a comment down below, how your day's going. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good one.